Today, we're diving into a super useful feature on Facebook Messenger, creating polls. Polls on Facebook Messenger are a fantastic way to make decisions as a group. Whether you're deciding on a movie for movie night, picking a dinner location, or just want opinions, Messenger polls make it easy and fun. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your Facebook Messenger app and go to the group chat where you want to create the poll. Now tap in on the plus sign icon, then select the polls item. Now it's time to create your poll. Enter your question in the Ask Something, then add options for your poll. You can add as many options as you like by tapping plus. Once you're happy with your question and options, tap create poll to send it to the group chat. And voila, your poll is now live. Group members can vote on the options you provided and you can all see the results in real time. That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and